Hey you guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you the best render settings for Premiere Pro 2020. I got a little clip here. A little cuts here I just made in my intro and outro. So then click Control M on Windows. Or you can go to File and then Export in the Media. Make sure the format is set to H.264. Make sure your thing is set to where is it? High quality 4K. Make sure your frame rate little thing on the side is checked. Field order, make sure it is progressive. Aspect square pixels. Sorry, you can't see that. And then render at maximum depth should be checked. It will make your render slower, but it will be better quality. Yeah, aspect at square pixels. Or just check that. Actually, don't check that. That's just square pixels always. Actually, yeah, check that because it makes it. Check that because it makes the boxes go away. I'm gonna do high quality 1080p for this one. You can do that or anything else, whatever. And the aspect is check that so it's like so no boxes are on it like that. Render maximum depth checked. And then encoding settings, make sure software encoding is selected for. If you want faster render settings, make sure hardware encoding is selected. But that's lower quality. But if you want higher quality but slower renders, software encoding. Profile, make sure that is on high. Level, make sure that is 5 on 0.2. And then make sure this is set to 1920 by 1080. Once you change that to 5.2, you have to rechange the resolution back. Now, ignore all that. Now, the bitrate settings. Make sure that is selected to VBR 2-pass or 1-pass. I recommend 2-pass or CBR. I'm going to do CBR for this. You can go all the way up to 300 bitrate, but I recommend the target bitrate to be 80. 80 is like good bitrate for this, but it's slower render. Leave all that alone. All the advanced settings alone, VR, video, and stuff like that. I'm going to do, that, CBR. Audio, make sure that is at ACC for the audio format. Now make sure your audio codec is ACC. Now the sample rate is at the max. Channels is stereo. Audio quality, always at high. Bitrate at 320 because that's better. And then advanced settings at bitrate. Make sure that's selected at bitrate. Multiplexer MP4. Make sure that is selected to MP4 and stream compatibility. Standard. Captions. If you have captions, you can do that. And then you can, if you want to, you can publish this straight to YouTube. Did you know that? If it's in here. YouTube, right here. I'm not going to sign in because I have cracked this. Don't want them banning me. Effects, just leave these alone. But that's it. Make sure you check render, maximum render quality. Use maximum render quality. And click on export. It's going to start exporting. That's almost done. It's almost done. Hold on. Now, once it hits 100, it's gonna give you this little box that says your video was exported successfully. Now you can close this out. Yes. Save. Now we gotta find your video. I'm gonna go to quick access and it's resolved so you can switch it. No, that's not it. I think it was saved the videos. Or was it saved to desktop? I think it was saved to desktop. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. So you can see it is 124 megabytes, so it's going to make a really large file size, but it will be worth it for the quality. You can see it is 1920 by 1080, and the data rate is not the same for some reason, but it's close. You can see this is all the audio sample rate, 40 kilohertz, 30 FPS, you know, it's pretty good quality. You see, flames. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, guys.